add a quick 3S of the communications cabinet. That's where the phone system is and the internet and our networking, so there's quite a lot of spaghetti wiring in there, no standards. So I took it all out, labelled it all back up. It's not perfect, but at least we can see what is what and where it goes to. Great visual control now. We had the guys in on Thursday and Friday doing the concrete pad at the front and the back. They did actually leave the site quite messy, so I'm not sure they actually respect the customer. They didn't tell me they've done this, or I know they left late in the night, but anyway, I decided to jet wash that on Friday, so I made it premium again. That's how it should be. So I reckon on Saturday had a big move around. This is before, so we're planning to put a robot in place, so we're just clearing the space. I know this lady's only been in there a few months, but we had to move the crane again, and that's all been repositioned. Waiting for the robot install. Improved the quality of his trolley by making the handles thicker metal, great job, and also improving the lighting in the back of the press brake, and also adding some metal plates to the laser guards, great job. Still standardising your web tabs to make it easier, and also Alex adding tubing system on a pizza oven so the customer can get their products quicker. Patrick and Charlie before and after, upgrading the string guard to the line on the floor, great job. Also that piece of blue tack used to hold the can bands, now Patrick has added a bracket for it, so fantastic. Great job everyone, keep up the good work.